Hello students! How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. I'm your Priyankamam and today I'm going to discuss with you about Takahe. Which bird is the size of a large chicken, having blue and green feathers and a red bill? That's Takahe, which is a flightless bird and live only in New Zealand. They are not aggressive despite being quite fast. Their vibrant color display ranges from different shades of blue to green to red to brown. They have wings, but they are not strong enough to make them fly. They are omnivores, so they eat tender grass stalks, fern roots, and bugs. You will find them in grasslands, Murchison Mountains, and national parks of New Zealand. These social birds generally stay in pairs and make clucking sounds. They live for about 20 years. They cannot be kept as pets because they live in New Zealand only. Now let's begin today's rhyme. So let's get started. Little boy blue, come blow your horn. The sheep's in the middle, the cow's in the corn. Where's that boy who looks after the sheep? Under the haystack fast asleep. Will you wake him? Oh no, not I, for if I do, he will surely cry. Let's sing it again. Little boy blue, come blow your horn. The sheep's in the middle, the cow's in the corn. Where's that boy who looks after the sheep? Under the haystack fast asleep. Will you wake him? Oh no, not I, for if I do, he will surely cry. If you like my today's rhyme, then hit like button, share it with your friends and family, and if you're watching my channel for the first time, hit subscribe button too. Okay, bye.